Understanding allele frequency, a fundamental concept in genetics. Hello and welcome to today's learning session. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics to understand a fundamental concept: allele frequency. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll be familiar with its meaning and significance. So, let's embark on this genetic journey together. Before we talk about allele frequency, it's important to understand what an allele is. An allele is a version of a gene. Think of it like a flavor of ice cream. Just as chocolate and vanilla are different flavors of ice cream, alleles are different versions of a gene. Each person has two alleles for every gene, one inherited from their mother and one from their father. In genetics, frequency refers to how common an allele is in a population. Imagine you're in a room with 100 people, and you want to know how many have blue eyes. If 25 people have blue eyes, the frequency of the blue eye trait is 25%. Similarly, allele frequency tells us how common a specific allele is among all the alleles of that gene in a population. To calculate allele frequency, you need two pieces of information. 1. The total number of alleles for the gene in the population. 2. The number of times a specific allele appears in the population. The formula is allele frequency equals number of specific alleles, total number of alleles. For instance, if there are 100 alleles in total and the allele we're interested in appears 20 times, the allele frequency is 20%. Allele frequency is crucial in the study of genetics for several reasons. 1. Evolution. It helps scientists understand how a population evolves over time. 2. Genetic diversity. It provides insight into the genetic diversity of a population. 3. Disease research. It's essential in researching genetic diseases and developing treatments. That's all for today's lesson on allele frequency. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what alleles are and why their frequency is such an important concept in genetics. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. Remember, genetics is not just about understanding life at a molecular level. It's about understanding the diversity and richness of life itself. Keep exploring, and keep learning.